How to amend a tax return with H&R Block. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To amend a tax return with H&R Block, launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for hnrblock.com and you'll be redirected to the official webpage of H&R Block. Remember to sign in to your account. For that, tap on Sign in to my block. Enter your username, email address, and mobile number, then tap on Continue. If you are new to it, select Create Account. Now furthermore, to amend tax return with H&R Block, once you have logged in into H&R Block, ensure that it is the latest version. Now starting off, open your originally filed return for the given year. Locate the section for amending returns, which might be called as Amend, Amended Return, or similar wording. You might find it on the Tools or My Return, which might be in the Settings or Menu option. Follow the on-screen prompt to indicate the changes you need to make. It will guide you through updating your income, deduction, credits, or other relevant section. Once you have completed the change, review the amended return carefully before electronically filling it with the IRS. And that is how you'll be able to amend the return of your tax. And that is it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.